next on my list to go along with drill drivers and, impact drivers and all of those things, cordless drills, is a very high quality bit set. Absolute must. And honestly, the brand of those does not matter. Any brand of bit set that you buy is going to be pretty much compatible with any other, drill on the market because they're all kind of designed the same way. But I would get both. I would get a high quality like bits, so your all your little Phillips and slotted Torx,
square drive
that comes with all of them.
Allen.
If you got 152 piece set, you're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
I'd be happy with that.
Well, you have got a lot of bit sets.
I really do.
You have so many bit sets.
And every time I see one on sale, I buy another one.
Yeah, you've got a lot of bit sets. There's no question about that. But along with those bit sets, all of the different screw tip styles that come in a bit set, there is also drill bits. So we're not trying to make this confusing. You have the type of bits that drive screws, and then you have the type of bits that drill holes. So these are both called bits, and yet they perform two totally different functions. You would have a drill bit set, and the drill bit set would go from the tiniest little drill bit all the way up to 1/2 inch. And sometimes you have them in 4-inch and sometimes 6-inch, or they even come longer than that. But a good base selection of drilling bits. And then, of course, with drill bits, there are multiple things to drill. You can find drill bits that drill metal and wood. You can find drill bits that drill concrete and tile. And so some sort of an assortment or a couple of assortments in the drill bit set is very helpful. It's the hardest thing in the world when you need to drill a hole and you don't have the right bit.
Yeah.